Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Rachel, and I'm thrilled to be your host for this exciting discussion. As an AI-generated language model, I have access to a vast amount of information and can help facilitate a thoughtful and engaging conversation. With my advanced natural language processing capabilities, I'm able to understand and respond to a wide variety of questions and topics. Throughout this video, we'll be exploring a range of fascinating subjects, from cutting-edge technology and science to insightful social and cultural issues. I'll be sharing my insights and knowledge, and together we'll delve deep into these fascinating topics. So, whether you're a technology enthusiast, a science buff, or simply interested in expanding your knowledge, you're in the right place. I look forward to embarking on this journey with you, so let's get started.
Sure. Here are the steps to create an AI-generated beautiful model with Midjourney, an intro speech using AI software, a voiceover using 11 Lab AI software, and a video using the AI-generated model and speech in DID. Collect data. The first step is to gather data that can be used to train the AI model. This could include images of beautiful models, voice recordings, and videos. Choose AI tools. Once you have collected the data, the next step is to choose the AI tools you will need. For creating the AI-generated model, you may want to use tools such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. For the speech and voiceover, you can use text-to-speech tools such as Google's text-to-speech or Microsoft's Azure text-to-speech. For the video, you can use video processing software such as Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. Train AI model. After selecting the AI tools, you can start training the AI model. This involves feeding the data into the AI software and allowing it to learn and recognize patterns that will be useful in generating the beautiful model. Generate model. Once the AI model has been trained, it can be used to generate the beautiful model. You may need to refine the model to improve its accuracy and visual appeal. Create intro speech. To create an intro speech using AI software, you can use text-to-speech tools such as Google's text-to-speech or Microsoft's Azure text-to-speech. Write a script for the intro speech and then use the software to generate a voiceover that matches the tone and style of the video. Create voiceover. To create a voiceover using 11 Lab AI software, you can upload the script you want to use and select the voice style you prefer. The software will then generate a high-quality voiceover that you can use in your video. Create video. With the AI-generated model, intro speech, and voiceover completed, you can create a video using video processing software such as Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. You can add effects, transitions, and other elements to enhance the video's visual appeal. Upload to DID. Once the video is complete, you can upload it to DID, a video hosting platform, to share it with others.